Performing 71 pull-ups daily can have significant benefits for your body and overall health. Pull-ups, also known as chin-ups, are a compound exercise that engages various upper body muscle groups simultaneously. This exercise is widely practiced by military forces as it enhances endurance and strengthens multiple muscles at once. While it may seem challenging initially, as your body adapts, pull-ups become more manageable. In this video, we will explore how incorporating 71 pull-ups into your daily routine can yield substantial advantages for your body and well-being. Before delving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's dive into the benefits of incorporating 71 pull-ups into your daily workout routine. Pull-ups, a versatile and challenging exercise, involve suspending yourself from an elevated bar while extending your arms sideways. While often referred to as pull-ups or chin-ups, this workout predominantly focuses on the lower back and biceps. However, its benefits extend to the entire upper back, arms, and even wrist and hand strength. The engagement of multiple muscle groups makes pull-ups a comprehensive exercise, fostering overall upper body development. With regular practice, not only do the targeted muscles gain strength, but endurance also improves. The simplicity of this exercise belies its effectiveness in sculpting a robust and well-balanced upper physique. Pull-ups, a compound exercise renowned for their efficiency, engage multiple muscle zones simultaneously. Beyond the primary involvement of biceps and triceps in lifting the body, secondary muscles such as lats, pecs, traps, deltoids, and forearms contribute to the comprehensive engagement. This holistic approach facilitates efficient mass building across diverse muscular groups, streamlining the overall workout process. The synergistic activation of these muscles not only enhances strength but also promotes a well-rounded development, making pull-ups an invaluable addition to any fitness regimen. This multifaceted engagement underscores the time-saving nature of pull-ups, allowing individuals to achieve comprehensive results in a condensed workout time frame. The versatility of pull-ups goes beyond their ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. One significant advantage lies in their capacity to target different angles of muscle zones. Through variations in grip and leg positioning, pull-ups enable a focused approach to specific muscle areas without risking overexertion. This adaptability allows individuals to tailor their workouts, emphasizing internal dorsals or concurrently working on biceps and dorsals. The ability to customize the exercise based on grip and leg placement adds a dynamic dimension to pull-ups, making them a valuable tool for a well-rounded and targeted upper body workout. The rapid improvement seen in pull-ups is a testament to their versatility and diverse execution styles. The integration of various muscle groups and the alternating nature of the exercise lead to swift enhancements in both resistance and strength. This dynamic approach accelerates the development of muscle mass, rendering pull-ups more attainable with just a week of regular practice. The body's adaptability to this compound exercise ensures that progress is achieved at an impressive pace, underscoring the efficiency of pull-ups in promoting quick and substantial advancements in physical fitness. Pull-ups play a pivotal role in sculpting a V-shaped back, highlighting the growth of the latissimus dorsi. This exercise uniquely targets the middle and posterior deltoids, muscles often overlooked in traditional routines. The latissimus dorsi, when properly developed through pull-ups, creates a visually striking V-shaped silhouette, symbolizing strength and fitness. The engagement of these muscle groups contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of the back, offering a well-rounded and impressive physique. Achieving a sculpted V-shaped back not only signifies physical prowess, but also underscores the effectiveness of pull-ups in addressing specific muscle groups, often challenging to target with alternative exercises. Moreover, the enhanced grip strength gained from pull-ups extends its benefits beyond the realm of fitness. The specific demand placed on your forearms and hands to sustain your body weight during pull-ups translates into improved grip strength, a quality essential for various daily activities. Tasks such as carrying groceries, opening jars, or even maintaining a secure hold on objects become more manageable with a strengthened grip. The practical applicability of this improvement underscores the functional advantages of incorporating pull-ups into your routine, making it a valuable exercise not only for fitness enthusiasts, but for anyone seeking enhanced physical capabilities in their everyday life. Pull-ups stand out as a joint-friendly exercise, offering a unique advantage over activities that may pose risks to joint health. Unlike exercises with complex joint movements, pull-ups are notably gentle on the knees and ankles. This characteristic makes them a suitable and safe option for individuals looking to build strength without exposing their joints to unnecessary stress. The simplicity of the pull-up movement, coupled with its effectiveness in targeting various muscle groups, creates an ideal scenario for those prioritizing joint health. Incorporating pull-ups into your fitness routine becomes not just a strength-building endeavor, but also a mindful choice for long-term joint well-being. The explosive power gained from incorporating pull-ups into your fitness regimen significantly enhances athletic performance. This heightened ability to swiftly transition from a resting state to high-intensity activity is invaluable for sports demanding coordinated movements between upper and lower limbs, like football, basketball, or tennis. Pull-ups, by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, contribute to the development of fast-twitch muscle fibers, crucial for rapid movements and quick responses. This explosiveness not only improves agility and speed, but also provides a competitive edge in sports that demand sudden bursts of energy and dynamic coordination. Engaging in regular pull-up practice not only enhances overall physical condition, but also brings about notable improvements in various health aspects. As a high-intensity exercise, pull-ups play a crucial role in reducing visceral fat in the abdominal region, leading to a positive impact on cholesterol and blood glucose levels. Additionally, the consistent performance of pull-ups has been linked to the alleviation of lower back pain and discomfort often associated with arthritis. This compound exercise, targeting multiple muscle groups, promotes a holistic approach to fitness, addressing both aesthetic and health-related goals. Incorporating pull-ups into your routine can contribute significantly to achieving a well-rounded and healthier physique. Moreover, the mental benefits of incorporating pull-ups into your routine extend beyond the physical exertion. The act of conquering the challenging nature of pull-ups introduces an added layer of personal triumph, surpassing mental limitations and fostering a sense of accomplishment. This achievement contributes significantly to an improved mood, acting as a powerful antidote against anxiety, depression, and fatigue. The release of serotonin and endorphins during pull-up sessions not only enhances overall mental well-being, but also establishes a positive mindset, encouraging individuals to overcome obstacles both within and outside the realm of fitness. In essence, pull-ups become a holistic approach to cultivating a resilient and positive mental state. Consistent practice of pull-ups not only enhances physical strength, but also plays a crucial role in fostering improved posture. For individuals accustomed to slouching, pull-ups become a transformative exercise that demands precise back alignment. As the back muscles engage during each repetition, there is a gradual correction of posture over time. This correction contributes to the development of a more upright and healthier posture. The systematic reinforcement of the back muscles through pull-up exercises acts as a catalyst for positive changes, reinforcing the body's natural alignment and reducing the likelihood of slouching, ultimately promoting overall spinal health and well-being. To perform pull-ups, you only need a sturdy bar elevated above your head. Stand beneath the bar, extend your arms to grab it, and hang from it. Position your legs shoulder-width apart. Jump and grip the bar with your hands, ensuring they are slightly wider than shoulder width. Flex your knees, intertwining one leg with the other for balance. From this position, pull yourself up by flexing your elbows until your chin is parallel to the bar. Exhale as you ascend, and inhale as you descend. Initially, you may need assistance, but as your muscles strengthen, pull-ups will become more manageable. Incorporating pull-ups into your daily workout routine offers numerous benefits. improving strength, endurance, and the ability to perform high-intensity exercises. If you're hesitant to try pull-ups at the gym, take the leap and experience the positive changes in your muscles and overall well-being from day one. We hope this video has been informative. If you have anything to add, please share it with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and share the link with your family and friends so they too can discover the benefits of incorporating 71 pull-ups into their daily routine. If you're new to our channel, subscribe now. Remember, life is always better when you prioritize your health.